Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to source products using Alibaba.com. As you can see, we're on the home page right now, and at the moment it is March, so they have their March Expo, which is currently online, and you can actually watch live streams on what's going on, and you can see all the different types of sectors, apparel, accessories, packaging, and so on. And for example, if you were interested in a certain product, you can actually watch a live stream of them using the product, which is really good because having that video evidence and footage can be so helpful, especially because you can't actually go to China and go and speak with them that way. At least if you see the video, you can tell if you'd be more interested in ordering samples. So let's just start from the home page. So it's kind of like Amazon, where you can search at the top here for anything that you're looking for. Let's go ahead with the waist trainer example. So I can just type in here waist trainer. Here you can look for suppliers as well, or products. So I would recommend looking for suppliers when you are searching for a product. So let's check out waist trainer suppliers. So here we're going to have a list of suppliers that just create waist trainers. So it's a bit more accurate, as you can see here. We've got loads. And to really narrow it down, what I recommend you do is that you look on these options here. So tick trade assurance. As you can see, it will explain to you what that means. It means that it protects your orders from payment to delivery. So if there's any issues with the payment and you feel like they haven't delivered, or they just haven't fulfilled their promise to you, you can apply to get your money back. And then this is a premium membership for higher level suppliers, so it's good to have verified and trade assurance because you're going to get the higher quality suppliers results. So you can see how many transactions they've had within the last 6 months, so that's a good indicator. You can also see how much money they've made in the last 6 months, which is so helpful because you can build a bit more trust. Let's see who's had the most transactions. 400, 500. This one's had quite a lot of transactions, so we can go into here, and this is the company. So we can get a bit more information about the company, how long they've been in business. We've got reviews here that we can go ahead and read. So this is something that I would really recommend you do. Read the reviews. As you can see, people are quite satisfied with what they've ordered from them. They do other products, as you can see here, baby carriers and so on. So yeah, we can go ahead and look at their products that they offer, all different types. We're looking for the waist trainers. So here are different waist trainers, and if there is one that you like the look of, you can go ahead and click onto it. And like Amazon, it will have images of the product and videos that you can watch. And if you scroll down, it will also tell you more information about what you can customize. So you can customize the color here. It will show you the different estimate of days that it will take to produce, with how many you order, and so on. So when you are actually ready to speak to them, what you should do is contact supplier. And here you will be sent to the section which is like a messenger chat. But I won't get into that in this video. We're just going to look through how to source. You can actually, when you are signed up to Alibaba, it's totally free. You can save this as one of your favorites. So if you are looking at quite a lot of suppliers, you can just save them to your favorites and then go back and narrow it down. So if we were to do the same thing on Alibaba.com and look for waist trainer in the product section, you're going to get a load more results, and usually a lot more nicer quality images. So I usually do search in the product section, but it is more recommended to search within suppliers, because when you're looking at products, sometimes you will be speaking with like a middle person and not the direct manufacturer slash supplier of that product. So it works hand in hand. But I find that when you search for the actual product, you get way more details. So here, like, we can see that these can actually be customized nicely. Like, you've got these nice colors and you can have cheetah print. So that is how you can find products. So let's have a look at packaging as well. So I find that packaging is a great thing for you to get from Alibaba, because you can buy a lot in bulk really, really cheap, which will usually save you. Ooh, I've been looking for something like this. So yeah, they do everything from perfume bottles. This is quite a new popular type of packaging that I've seen around lately. You can actually ask them to make the size bigger, smaller. As you can see, this is quite known. They call it a paperboard round packaging box. Here, you can actually customize it on Alibaba too, which I've never seen before. That's good. So there, you could do your own customization, and then I guess it will just go straight through to them, and then you can discuss on pricing. They do boxes too. So usually when you are speaking with a supplier or manufacturer, they will do not just that product, but they'll do similar products to that too, which is really interesting and quite good. So if you want to branch into different products, you can just speak with them and see if they've got that too. Also, you want to maybe look at what they do. So these support sea freight. Shipping is usually about 30 days to arrive to the UK, and air shipping is usually 5 to 10 working days, depending on how fast they can get it out to you. So that is pretty much a basic how you search for products on Alibaba.com. I have a full tutorial on Alibaba.com and further information in my course. I will leave the link to that down below. But I hope this video was really helpful, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.